Samsung users, we finally got it. After years of people downloading random editing apps, sketchy APKs, and tools packed with ads, Samsung has officially launched their new Gallery Assistant app for Galaxy smartphones. And let me tell you, this tiny 7.8 megabyte app quietly replaces entire apps like Photoshop Express, Remini, Canva, watermark makers, collage apps, PDF converters, all inside your Samsung Gallery. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where to download this new official app, how to install it, and how to use every powerful feature step by step. No complicated tech talks, just simple instructions anyone can follow. Plus, I'm giving you real scenarios, long descriptions, and hidden tricks the original video didn't mention. Before we start, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And here's a challenge. Let's try to hit 300 likes on this video. Alright, let's begin. So first of all, you want to go ahead and download this new Gallery Assistant. So let me show you exactly where to get it because many people think it's still beta or it's an APK which you need to download. Nope, it's officially available now. So here you need to go ahead and first open up the Galaxy Store. Now in Galaxy Store, you want to go ahead and search for Gallery Assistant. So you should see the official app appear instantly. It has a Samsung style icon and the developer listed as Samsung here. So here now, depending on your device and your region, you should see the install or the update button. Most Galaxy phones running Neo One UI versions will support this app. I've already installed it, hence it's showing me as open. So just go ahead and tap install, wait a few seconds. It's only 7.88 megabytes and that's it. Now to open it, go ahead and search for Gallery Assistant. So this is the app which you need. So now let's look at the features it has to offer you. So the first feature is where you can reduce size. So imagine you're on a holiday taking loads of videos, sunsets, beach clips, selfies, food, everything. Suddenly your phone pops up saying your storage is almost full. So you're forced to delete things or worse, stop recording memories. But with Gallery Assistant, you can simply select your photos and videos and you can go ahead and tap to reduce size and watch the magic happen. So here as an example, we'll go ahead and tap on reduce size. And here let's go ahead and select a photo first. So for example, this photo here, as you can see, it's currently 2.4 megabyte. However, if you go ahead and move this slider here at the bottom, move it to the left, you'll see that it can reduce your size to 0.47 megabyte. So if I go ahead and press save a copy, now let's go ahead and look at it. So as you can see, it's reduced from 2.37 megabytes to 0.48 megabytes. So this basically removes any invisible file metadata. It reduces redundant image background information and it rebuilds videos using efficient encoding. Plus it maintains clarity in faces, objects, and text. So let's go ahead and try this on a video as well. So here I'll go ahead and search for a video. So for example, this video here. Now as you can see, it's currently right now 0.2 GB. So if I go ahead and slide it to the left, I can go ahead and reduce this to 30 megabytes. Here I can go ahead and choose different formats. So I can choose HEVC, or I can go ahead and leave it as H.264, which is more compatible. If I go ahead and press save copy, this will now save that file and it will basically reduce the file size. So as you can see, it frees up massive storage instantly. You can share video files faster, so you can upload to apps with strict file limits, and you can back up thousands of photos with tiny sizes. So this one tool replaces multiple third-party compressor apps, so you don't need to go ahead and look online to try to reduce your photo file or your video files. You can go ahead and do this on your phone itself. Now, feature number 2 is your rotate, flip, and straighten. So you went out with friends, took a great city night out photo, but the horizon is crooked. Or you recorded a long video only to notice it's sideways. So manually rotating doesn't always fix the angle perfectly. So here, Gallery Assistant's alignment tool detects geometric lines, buildings, horizon level, and it allows you to fix everything with precise control. So here you can go ahead and use rotate and flip. Go ahead and choose your photos. So for example, this photo here, I'll go ahead and tap on it. You'll see this is a photo here. So I'll go ahead and try to straighten this. Let's see what happens. Now let's look at it again. So now it has been straightened. Now with this photo, I can go ahead and rotate it. So I can make it a 180-degree rotation. Now I can go ahead and flip it as well. So it flips horizontally. So this is what the photo is. As you can see, it gives you smooth rotation, accurate horizon straightening. It gives you horizontal and vertical flipping, so no quality loss, and basically gives you the automatic angle correction. So this is perfect for photographers, content creators, or anyone who's fixing mistakes quickly. Now, feature number 3 is your image clipper. So you're making a thumbnail, you want to cut out your face and place it over a background. Normally you need Photoshop or apps filled with ads. Or on your phone, you need to go ahead and do this manually by going to gallery, going ahead and selecting an image here. And now here you can go ahead and clip it. As you can see, I've just clipped this person here and I've placed it on another photo. So with Samsung's AI Clipper, you can go ahead and select a photo and it will automatically outline the subject and will clip it instantly. So the hair, edges, clothing textures, everything gets cut out perfectly. And this is great as if you want to do it on multiple photos, it can do this all at once. So let me just show you how this works. So here on the app, you want to go ahead and find the image clipper tool, tap on it, go ahead and select some images. So let's go back. I'll just go ahead and refresh this. I'll go ahead and add more pictures. Let's go ahead and add this, this, and press done. So as you can see, I've chosen 4 images and the app basically goes through each of the images and starts to clip it. So you can see it's already clipped this one here. The second one, it's found the object already, the subject, the third one, and the fourth one. And let's say, for example, you're not happy with what it's clipped. So you can go ahead and select it and then tap on edit. And here you can go ahead and select snap to shape. You want to go ahead and select manually. So you can go ahead and select the selection manually, or you can go ahead and just deselect it. Or anything you don't want it to clip, you can go ahead and tap on deselect and go ahead and tap on it, and that will basically deselect it. Now here you can go ahead and choose shapes as well. So if you want shapes, you have circle, square, triangle, heart, and a star. So you can go ahead and choose anything you like. I've chosen free form. I'll go press next. And now this has basically selected the clipping. Now if you want to go ahead and clip this, go ahead and press save. And now you have an option to save it as a sticker or save it as an image. I'll go ahead and save this as an image. So as you can see, it's done all 4 images in one go. So now we go ahead and press OK. Go ahead and press the gallery. And let's go ahead and look at this. These are all the images we have just clipped. So as you can see, Image Clipper uses Samsung's AI vision algorithm to detect foreground subject, outline the accuracy, shadows and depth, hair and detail edges. So here you can basically save the object, change the background, paste it into funny shapes like heart, circles, stars. You can create stickers. And the main thing here is you can basically create thumbnails, social media arts, and many other things. So this tool alone is a game changer for content creators. Now, feature number 4 is where you have the watermark feature. So you upload your photo online and people steal them without your credit. You're tired of chasing them. So gallery assistants give you this text watermark, logo watermark, date stamps watermark, and the killer feature is you can repeat those watermarks all over the whole image. So it covers the entire image so nobody can steal it. So here, if I go ahead and tap on add watermark, go ahead and choose an image. Let's go ahead and choose this image, press done. Now here you can go ahead and choose, you want to go ahead and choose what kind of watermark, so model name, you want to choose any custom image, or you want to put a date. You can go ahead and change the font as well, and you can go ahead and choose black font or white font. Now you can go ahead and choose your size. Do you want a small watermark or less watermark? And you can go ahead and choose your transparency. Now if I go back, you can go ahead and choose if you want to repeat the watermark or not. So I want to go ahead and repeat this. Now I'll go ahead and tap on save a copy, and we'll go ahead and look at this. So this is how the watermark has been created on the image. So as you can see, this tool allows position control, transparency adjustment, custom fonts, and you have the entire image watermark grids. So it's basically a branding style which basically shows that it's been shot on a particular phone. So this is perfect for creators, photographers, business owners, and students submitting projects. Now, feature number 5 is your compare image feature. So you have a before and after transformation. So for example, a skincare routine, fitness, photo editing, makeup, cleaning, or a home renovation. So you want a clean side-by-side comparison without using any collage app. So with Gallery Assistant, it can basically create you a perfect comparison panel. So here, if you tap on compare images, we'll go ahead and select an image. So for example, this image here and the one I just watermarked. So as you can see, the top one is the watermark one and the bottom one is the one without it. So if I go ahead and zoom in on any of them, you'll see that it follows both of these. So if I zoom into the shoes at the top, you'll see that it's zoomed into the shoes. If I zoom into the neck, you'll see that it's zoomed into the neck. So like this, you can go ahead and make your comparison. You can go ahead and see all the details. If you tap on the icon here at the top right, it'll basically disconnect the link. So when you move the bottom, the top won't be moved. If I tap on it again, it now starts to move. So as you can see, you can align both images cleanly. It matches the dimension. It creates a share ready layout. So this is perfect for Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. So no more messy collage apps. Now, feature number 6 is your save as PDF. So your teacher, your student sending screenshots of homework, your gallery is full of notes, receipts, IDs, documents, and you need to convert them into a PDF really quick. So Gallery Assistant can convert any image into a printable, shareable PDF. So here, go ahead and tap on Save as PDF. You want to go ahead and choose your image. So if you go ahead and refresh this, we'll add some images. Let's go ahead and select these images here. Press done. Now press Save as PDF. So as you can see, it's taken 3 of these images and it'll now go ahead and create a PDF for this. So I'll go ahead and just view this. I'll upload this on my Google Drive. Let's go ahead and tap on this. Let's go ahead and view this. So this is the PDF it has created. And as you can see, you can basically share this with anyone you like. So you can choose a A3, A4, or a letter paper, portrait or landscape, and you have the compression level. So it's single or multi-page document. So this feature is basically built into the document scanner and a PDF exporter. And now the last feature is where you can print up to 500 photos. So you're preparing a wedding album, a school project, a travel scrapbook. So instead of transferring all of these images to a PC, you can go ahead and select 500 photos at once, choose your printer settings, and print them directly from your phone. So if I tap on print, go ahead and select your images. And now here I can go ahead and choose my printer if it's installed on my Samsung phone, and then go ahead and press print. And basically I can get bulk printing, auto scaling, double-sided printing, color optimization, and multiple paper formats. So I don't need to send these images to a PC or a Mac in order to print. I can print directly from my Samsung phone. And that, my friends, is the new Samsung's official Gallery Assistant app. Simple, powerful, and genuinely one of the most underrated apps Samsung has released recently. So let me know in the comment section down below which feature blew your mind the most. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget the challenge of 300 likes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.